Josh. This is your Blues DeVille, your original Blues DeVille from 1996. With a stable power supply now. We're sitting at 478 plate volts at 35, 36 millivolts respectively, due to a little bit of AC wiggle coming out of that socket back there. But this is the power rail node that is feeding your plate supply. This is what's energizing your output transformer. And we got 3.1 volts of AC wiggling around in that sucker. And that's the noise you hear in the background. This is the clean channel. I'll go ahead and put it down. I'll roll it back up. So as you can see, it's quite prominent. And I would recommend doing a cap job, which is going to slip you up into the next tier of service that we had discussed, where we look at the low voltage, or rather bipolar power supply that's feeding your chipset here, your op amps, which are getting a good steady 6.2 through 6.8 volts of power. The channel switching is restored. You can see with drive just on 25%. That's very sorry about that. That's some RF noise from the phone. Very deep buzz there, buddy. And then more drive. It's almost unusable. Now, how much of this is that noisy cap there versus what appears to be a cathode resistor mod here? You know, what's what? Well, we can find out, but if you plan on just using the clean channel and running some drive pedals, you can delay the inevitable, you know, for how long, who knows. But this resistor here is essentially, this cap here is essentially becoming a resistor, and it will and is producing a little bit of heat compared to the adjacent ones, and that sort of sets off a bit of a catalyst effect, where resistance turns into heat turns into reduced lifespan, and these things become essentially, you know, very low resistance rated parts that become shorts. So how long until that happens, who knows? It's anybody's guess, but that's kind of what we're looking at here. So let me know what you want to do. Bye.